Okay, it's been a while since Stacy's been down. We haven't done a video in over a month. So I thought I'd give you a quick little update. Our current project right now is this Bronco here. We're getting ready for King of Hammers. So this will be a 4600 stock Bronco to compete against the other Broncos that are in that class. So lots of work on this one, lots of things we're learning. And so you'll be seeing a video on this in the near future. But that one's 33 days away from needing to be done. Okay. In the shop, I've got the console for Griz. It's just about ready to go inside the truck. Just a couple little details to wrap up, get the lid ready to go and get it over to get upholstered. And we've got this truck in the shop. This one's been a project for the last couple of years, and we're trying to get a bunch of things wrapped up on it so it can go back to its home in Wisconsin. And you'll be seeing a video on that in the near future. To make up for our absence, because we still have a couple more weeks before Stacy's back up and going.
But it's on its way. Things are healing. It's just a slow, tedious process.
Yeah, so she'll put some couple of pictures in to show the plate, her hardware she's got in her hand here. So she's got a bionic wrist now.
It'll make it solid to.
Oh yeah. Yeah. So,
in the end.
Yep. To make up for the time that we're out, we're going to post more on our Facebook account. Also, we're going to do a giveaway on our Facebook. We'll be giving away a hoodie and some cold weather gloves.
That's probably my 3 pounds I can lift.
Yeah.
That's heavier than the 3 pounds.
Yep. So there's our, we've got them in pullover or zip up hoodie, whichever you prefer. Whoever wins gets to decide, and also on the size. And then with the cold weather gloves, you get to decide on the size. We have them in a couple of different sizes. So.
And then we're gonna give a beanie.
And a beanie in the package as well. Follow the prompts that'll be here at the end of the video, and get signed up on our Facebook account. You'll be entered to win.
To enter, go to your Facebook account, click Groups, go to the search bar, type in chadsfab official fan page. Click on the group, answer the questions. Be sure to answer both boxes, check the box that you agree to the group rules, click submit. Once you've been entered into the group and you can see this window, you have been entered into the drawing for the giveaway.
Yep, so hope y'all had a Merry Christmas, and hopefully you have some fun plans for the New Year's. Till next time, remember to take it one step at a time, and especially watch for that last step. It's a doozy.